Your vehicle software can be updated with over-the-air updates through a secure Wi-Fi connection. Only 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi networks are able to be connected. It is recommended that you have a strong signal strength. Connect your vehicle in a well-ventilated area to prevent exposure to hazardous fumes. To connect to your Wi-Fi network, press Menu, touch Connections, Wi-Fi, then Settings. Touch to turn Wi-Fi on. Touch back. Then touch your Wi-Fi network name from the listings and enter your Wi-Fi password. Touch OK. The connected message will appear under the network name when your vehicle is successfully connected. To manually update your software, push Menu, touch Info, System Information, Software Update. From this screen, you can touch Update Method to change whether your system automatically notifies you of updates. To initiate updates, touch Start Software Update. The next screen will indicate if the software is currently up to date or if there is an update to download. After the update process is complete, a message will indicate that you need to restart your vehicle to complete the update process. After turning your vehicle off, wait 20 minutes before restarting to reboot the system. Please see your Nissan Connect Owner's Manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.